Hey, what's up, guys? It's Michael Starks from The Stylish Grown Man. I know it's been a while, but The Stylish Grown Man is back in the building. It is almost fall. It is time to break out those sweaters and those sport coats and those overcoats. And yeah, it's time to break out those boots. So guys, today the FedEx man brought me a little gift and I wanted to share the unboxing with my Stylish Grown Man team. So what I got today were Jodhpur boots. Jodhpur boots are pretty much riding boots. They don't come up to your knees, but like the horse riding boots, they come up to your ankle. And these particular Jodhpur boots came from Beckett Simonon. Now, Beckett Simonon, they are an online retailer. They only sell their products online and they send it directly from the manufacturer to the consumer. And this saves the consumer lots of. So these boots come in a dust bag. That's a high quality shoe that comes in a dust bag, and let me tell you, as the name implies, the dust bag protects these boots from dust when you store them and when you're not wearing them. So let's pull these bad boys out and see what we're working with. And ooh, all right, look, I'm looking at this. One of the first things I noticed, calfskin leather. And if you know anything about leather, calfskin is right up there with the best, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and finish undressing this boot. Ah, look at that. Look at that Jodhpur boot, fellas. Look, so calfskin leather, Jodhpur boots, one of the characteristics is you have that strap that wraps around the ankle, securing that boot to your ankle. Now, the good thing about this is if you're like me and you like slim or skinny fit pants, then it'll slide easily over that opening. But you can also stack them at the top and show off that strap action. That is dope. That is dope. They use some calfskin leather for this upper, and it is very soft, very supple, and it's going to make these boots really comfortable to wear. Another thing I noticed is the bottom, it has leather soles and this leather heel stack, and this is going to be replaceable as the boot ages and you're consistently wearing them. Eventually the soles, like with any shoe, is going to wear down. You can take this to the shoe repair person and they can fix this. They can put new soles on. So I've always loved shoes that you can repair and put new soles on, because with this being calfskin leather, if you take care of it, it's going to last you a very long time. So something else that I really love about Beckett Simonon is their customer service policy. You get free shipping, free returns, and free exchanges if you're not satisfied with your product. Also, you get a 1-year warranty against any manufacturing defects. Now guys, Beckett Simonon, all of their shoes and bags are made to order. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you can go check them out for yourself, and you're going to be so shocked at the value of these boots.